Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So after so many requests, finally I am here with a dance tutorial video on art parche. Thank you so much for showing so much of love to my art parche video. Now without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So let's begin with the choreography. Now I have divided this choreography into different parts. Now starting with the very first part. Now we have to take both the hands up and we have to bring our right leg to the left side, crisscrossing both the legs. We'll go by 1, after that 2 and 3 and 4. After that, like you have to take your hands the way you do in any of the basic Punjabi steps. It would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Now, second step. After this, you will take your right hand. You have to slip your right hand to the right side. You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Your right hand would slip to the right side, bringing your left leg to the right side. Alright? You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Now, talking about the hands. You have to roll your hands, you have to take to the right side. Like it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine? Now, repeating the whole choreography. It would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine? Now, coming up on the next step. After this, you have to move forward, right? You have to take all the weight upon your right leg and you have to face the front. You will go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine? Now, I'll repeat it once again for you. It would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Talking about the hands, you have to take your hands like this, and then forward. Like now both the hands and legs together. It would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Now repeating the whole choreography from the starting till here. Fine? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? After this, you have to hop upon your toe twice. Alright? It would go 1. Fine? 2. Fine? Now, with the legs, with the hop, you have to move your hands like forward and forward. It would go 1, 2. Alright? Now, repeating this with both hands and legs together. It would go 1, 2. Fine? After this, after the second hop, you have to bring both the hands up and one hand here and the second hand here. And with bringing the right hand to close, you have to hop your right leg to close up with you, right? It would go 1, 2. Alright? It would go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine? Now repeating the whole choreography slowly. Alright? It would go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Cool. Now doing it with the music. Just give me a moment, people. Alright, let's try it. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this was part 1. Now let's talk about part 2. Alright? In this you have to tap both your hands. You have to bring from left side to the right side. Alright? You have to go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright? With this you have to tap your right leg on the floor, bringing your left hand to the right side. Alright? It would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine? After this, you have to move your left hand and the right hand to the left side and you have would go 1, 2. Alright? Once again. 1, 2. Okay? With this, 1 and 2 again. Alright? Now repeating this from the starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? After this, you have to bring both the hands to the right side. Alright? Doing it 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Doing it from the starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Now, from the starting till here on the song. Do it with me, guys. Start. Come on. Okay, let's do it. After this, now the last part again. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After finishing till here, we have to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends upon, it totally depends upon you what kind of hands you want to keep, like this or this, anyway. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Now in this you have to take care of your legs. Now you have to slip your right leg back and you have to slip your left leg also back. You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Now with hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Part 2 done. Now again the whole choreography. Come on! Now, coming upon the next part. Now, you have to crisscross your hands. You have to take your right hand to the left hand and your left hand to the right hand. You have to tap twice. Alright, it would go 1 and 2. With this, you have to bring your right leg to the left side. Alright, 1 and 2. Alright, repeating this twice. 1 and 2. Alright, after this, you have to make a lunge and you have to go 1 and 2. Okay, any Punjabi step, like you do any Punjabi step. You have to come upon lunge and you have to go 1 and 2. Alright, you have to go 1, 2, tuck, tuck. After this, you have to take both the hands to the left side. You have to twist your right hand inside and coming like up. Alright, you have to make a body kind of posture. Alright, it would go 1 and 2. Alright, now doing it again. Come on! Come on! Alright? Now, after this is the important step. You have to take your right hand to the right side, right leg to the right side, I'm sorry. 1 hop, alright? 2 hop. This would be like 1 hop, 2 hop. 1 hop, 2 hop. Alright? First leg, let's do with the legs, alright? It would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get that? Alright. right. Now talking about the hands. It would go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now hands. Both legs and hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool? Alright. Now again doing this step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ending upon here, we have to bring our right hand to the right side. From the left side, we have to bring our right hand from the left side to the right side. We have to go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapping our right leg to the floor. Alright? It will go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here. Now the left hand from the right side to the left side. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4. It would go like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Cool. Now, again, come on. Start. Enjoy. Start. Alright? After this, it's just a normal hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Now, with this, we have to make a 2. Alright? 2. We have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving our neck to the left and right side. Alright? We would go like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright? Now, this was part 3. Now, from the starting till here. After this, I'll be teaching you more. Come on. Start. Come on. Okay. After this, we have to, it's just a normal beat. Alright, on that beat you have to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Normal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving to the left side, you have to roll your hands and you have to make a lunge position again. Coming upon lunge, then back. Coming upon lunge, then back. Alright? Now, let's try. I am playing from part 3, alright? Start! Go! Normal! Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. Alright? Now again from the starting, alright? Go! 1, 2, step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, from right, left. Punjabi steps any number of times. It totally depends upon you.